You know what actually pushed me to start looking at different business models? I was doing landscaping and had my own small little operation going with mostly bi-weekly jobs and smaller projects. It was a great experience because I learned how to actually deal with customers, how to communicate with them, how to wake up early, and how to actually work hard. But everything depended on me showing up every single day. If I didn't show up, the job didn't happen. If I took a day off, I didn't make money. The income started to feel like I had a ceiling no matter how hard I worked. It made me realize that trading time for money had its limits. Then one day my truck got totaled from a hailstorm. Everything kind of paused for a second because the obvious thing would have been to just go ahead and get another truck and keep doing landscaping. But I remember thinking I didn't see myself doing landscaping forever, and in that moment, it forced me to rethink what I actually wanted to build. Around that same time, I decided to drop out of college for marketing. I was already interested in how businesses get customers online, and I felt like the real learning was happening outside of the classroom. So when my truck got totaled, I started researching different business models online. I spent a lot of time watching videos and trying to understand how people were building businesses on the internet. Eventually, that's when I found GoHighLevel. It caught my interest immediately because I realized even with my landscaping business, what I really needed wasn't just more jobs. I needed better systems to capture leads and to follow up with and also track customers. Those are the same systems bigger companies use to grow. So instead of going back to landscaping, I started helping local businesses set up AI smart websites and SaaS systems in their business. That means they get a website, they get automations, they get a live AI chatbot, they get lead follow-up review systems, all in one single place. The big difference is that businesses pay monthly instead of hourly, and that turns the work that I do into reoccurring income. Instead of trading time for money, the income compounds. One client becomes 10 and 10 can become 20. Over time, it turns into a real business instead of just a job. That shift completely changed the way that I think about work. Today, this is what I do full time. I run an AI smart website plus SaaS agency, helping local businesses grow online. The crazy part is I could run the entire thing from my laptop. This means I can travel, I can work from different places, and still keep building something that grows every single month. So something that I always tell people is that you need to be able to get customers through the door. You need to be able to get clients booked on your calendar. You actually need to be able to have these Zoom calls with these potential prospects. You can have the best software in the world, but if you're not able to get bookings through the door, then nothing else matters. So let me show you a way that you can go ahead and get customers literally right now. So I did a quick Google search and I just typed in bathroom remodel contractors near me. This literally took me 10 seconds to find someone that would be in need of our services. And so look, Round Rock Remodeling Pros. We click on website, go ahead and open it in a new tab, and you can see they literally just have the domain linked on their Google My Business page. So they are literally losing out on customers that they could potentially be getting. Now, especially in the remodel space, people definitely care about reviews and they definitely care about having, some credible work to look at. So literally this business is losing out on money because they're not going to hire someone that has no online presence or any proof to show their work. A bathroom remodel can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000. Who knows? It depends on what you don't want done in the bathroom. But they are losing tons of revenue for their business just by not even having a website up. And then let's take a look at their Google My Business page. You can see they only have 10 Google reviews. That definitely can be increased. And let's see if they're even responding to the reviews that are left. So let's go into the reviews tab. And okay, so they are responding to reviews. That is a good sign. Now we can actually automate that process for them as well, which we'll get into here shortly. But first things first, they don't even have a website up and running. And they do have a lot of photos. So a website would be absolutely amazing to have for their business. So what I would do is I would go ahead and cold call this business, let them know that you built them a sample website. It's already done. It has their name, has their logo, all that good information, and go ahead and get them booked in for a Zoom call. Now, if that business is smart, they would obviously take advantage of that offer. But if not, there's tons more that you can go down. Let's see, Wills, they have a pretty decent amount of reviews, but you can just keep going down the list and you can definitely find people that are in need of a website. Let's check out this Wills one. Let's see how good it is. It looks decent, has okay animations, kind of looks messy, doesn't really have a good theme to it. No service area pages, just has services. They don't even have individual service pages built out. There could be kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, additions. All these could have their own separate services pages, but they don't. So that's even a person that you can reach out to as well. And they actually do have decent Google reviews. So having a better website can even lead to more conversions, which is great. Now, the other way is actually finding a scraper. So that way you don't have to go one by one through this list, and you can actually find businesses that have Google My Business pages that don't have a website. And also you can even do an extra thing that I recommend doing as well, where if they have 30 reviews or less, because that means that they are still a pretty credible company. They still have a decent amount of reviews and they most likely have some money to put up for a website, and they're looking to put a better system in place for their business. So that's why I think that that's a good review number to use. And so you can easily find a lead scraper on Fiverr, not very hard to do. And I'll actually pull someone up right now. Here is a scraper that you can use use that will actually get those Google My Business pages that are live, but they do not have a website attached to them. Here he is right here. Make sure to tell him that I sent you, and hopefully you can work out a great deal with him. But that is a highly recommended way that I tell people that either watch this channel or my affiliate or in the private community to definitely get a list scrape, color code it with whether they answered, if they're a strong lead, if they said no. You can just color code this list, and so that way you're staying organized and you're using the best ability that you can to manage your time with these cold calls. So make sure to do that and get a list scraped. It's really not that expensive to go ahead and get it done. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, the way that I primarily built my entire agency is from cold calling. So what I did whenever I first got started, I've been doing this for a little bit over 2 years, is I would make at least $100 a day. That was the absolute bare minimum, and I got very good at cold calling. I still am to this day. I can literally call someone off Google and more than likely get them booked in, just because of how much experience I have and how knowledgeable I am and who we can actually help and what we can do for them. So I recommend getting those dials in. Don't be afraid. It's either a win or lose situation. Do you want to be successful with this business model, or do you not want to be successful with it? And do you just want to stay stagnant of where you're currently at? So take that with a grain of salt, take that as you will, but this is a win or lose situation. I cannot tell you how many times that I've heard people in different communities, they're about 30, 40 years old, and they say that I'm scared to cold call. I'm scared to show my face on Zoom. Well, I would just tell you up front, hate to tell to you, but this business model is just not for you. You need to build that confidence. You need to be able to talk to business owners. You need to be able to do all these different things to be able to be successful in this type of model. So like I said, take that as you will, but keep that in your mind. So something that I've always used whenever I do cold call is something called a sample website method. And so what this is going to do is offer upfront value to the business owner, so they actually know that you're legit and you're actually trying to provide some value for them before you even take their card number. So that is something that is super important, and I would not be at all where I'm at today if it wasn't for this method, because like I said, they get these calls day in and day out. Is definitely going to work wonders for you, because they are going to love that you took time out of your day to go ahead and build that sample website for them. Now, if you're just getting started with HighLevel, do I recommend to get started with VAs right away? It kind of depends on your situation. Do you have a 9-to-5 job where you're busy all day and you need to get stuff done on the back end while you're working? I don't know. I mean, it depends on who you are as a person or what situation you're in. Now, me, myself, I think I closed about 3 or 4 deals, and then that's whenever I brought on my first VA, and I use them every single day because they play such a pivotal role in my agency's growth. So just a little plug here. If you sign up using my affiliate link, you get my direct VAs that I work with to this day, and you get 2 calls with me per week. You get snapshots, you get SOPs, you get website templates, you get all those different things if you sign up using my link down below. So go ahead and click the first link in the description on thegoceo.com to go ahead and get started with your 30-day free trial. Just a little plug there, just want to let you know. And GoHighLevel pays me commission, and so that's exactly how I'm able to help you. So let's go ahead and find another business that we could help out. So let's go ahead and type in plumbers near me. I guarantee you we can find someone very quickly on this list. Look at this. I mean, this one actually does look pretty decent, but you can build something better. I don't see a live AI chatbot to nurture leads. I don't see service pages built out. I don't see service area pages built out. It does look pretty decent, pretty nice photos on the site, but other than that, that's really it. Again, why are you running any type of online marketing whenever the systems in place are not properly set up? The way I like to break it down is, why would you have a bucket with cracks in it with leads falling through whenever you can have a brand new bucket with no cracks in it and you can actually store those leads somewhere? And so that's exactly what HighLevel is for. And so this is a demo account, so there's a bunch of random names in here, but every single time a contact form is filled out, anytime a live AI chatbot is filled out, they are automatically saved in the CRM. So imagine how powerful that is. Imagine if this customer is running ads. Are you storing your clients right now based on the ads that you're running? Where are all those different leads going? Are you reactivating them later down the line? Are you going back to them 6 months later, asking them if they've been taken care of? There's so much money that is left on the table by these businesses. And so just by implementing this simple tool, you are bringing tons of value to them. And so, for instance, let's say the live AI chatbot, again, having a 24/7 receptionist on your website would work absolute wonders for a business, versus if, let's say it's 11 o'clock at night and they're not open, now they don't have any way to contact you. You're not going to be answering the phone that late, versus if they submitted that live AI chatbot inquiry, now AI can go ahead and nurture that lead as soon as they come through. So absolute game changer for these businesses. I even mentioned it in my last video where I was talking about how WordPress is dead because they don't have any of these new systems in place. Let's talk about GoHighLevel's reputation tab. And so this is very powerful for businesses, and something I love about GoHighLevel is that they have so many good integrations with these big name brand companies like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They have it with Google My Business pages. They even have their own mobile app that you can go ahead and get people onboarded onto whenever they sign onto your agency. And so if they connect their Google My Business page, now you can go ahead and use a reputation tab, or they should use a reputation tab, I should say. And so now you can go go ahead and respond to their reviews, which I mentioned earlier in the video. You can respond to the reviews on autopilot, literally just by toggling this from off to on. That's simple. You can go ahead and get this done. You can do the wait time before responding. You can also set the tone of the bot as well. So let's go ahead and click edit. You can see this is the prompt that's already done for it. You can see if you want it to be professional, playful, grateful, friendly. You can do up to 2 of them at the same time. The review source, they can even respond to it on their different Google My Business pages if they're a franchise. Whatever the case is, you can get it done. Go ahead and click save. And then look, go ahead and go to SMS review requests. You can see the default message that is in there, but hi there, thank you for choosing. It will automatically fill in the business name. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds and leave us a quick review? The link below makes it easy. It will automatically pull their Google My Business page to go ahead and leave that review, and they can send it over via text message. It can do retries or whatever you like it to do. It can go ahead and do it. So that is a very nice feature by HighLevel. You can do the exact same thing with the email, and then not even to mention their social media tool, their social media planner. Like I said, you can connect your Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business page, all these different features, and you can actually schedule out content on those different platforms and choose at whatever day and time you want them to release at. Imagine how impactful that is for a business. So instead of going into Facebook, then hopping over to TikTok, then going over to YouTube, they can now upload the video, get it done, make the caption, and it will post on all those different platforms, which is absolutely amazing. Then go ahead and connect their desired payment platform that they want to use with their invoicing. So go ahead and close that out. You have Stripe, you have PayPal, again, Square. GoHighLevel has all these different huge partnerships that you can use and take advantage of. And this software is completely white labeled. You can see Spark Growth in the top left corner. That's the name of my agency. And so this is white labeled, and you look like an absolute gold mine to these businesses because you have these big platform integrations, which is great. It's beautiful to have. And then taking a look at the calendars, if you take a look at this, it's a full-on calendar booking system. And what this happens is whenever you set up the automations behind it is, let's say, someone books in for Friday the 6th, they get a text and email, the business owner gets a text and email, and then also you can set up reminders behind that, whether that's an hour before the appointment, 24 hours before the appointment, whatever you would like it to set up to be. And the way I pitched this on the demo is, imagine how great that looks, how luxurious that looks of a company whenever you are getting a text and email reminder about either a quote, service job, whatever you like it to be. That looks absolutely amazing on your end. You get a full-on sales pipeline with HighLevel as well. That's absolutely beautiful. Love to see that. And then also on the Launchpad, which we kind of already showed you, this is kind of like the main hub where you can connect all those different integrations, WhatsApp, Stripe, Google My Business page, Facebook. That's the main hub for that. So like I said, this is just scratching the surface of what HighLevel has to offer. And this is exactly what intrigued me to go ahead and get started with HighLevel and start a website plus SaaS agency. So I already showed you an example of how you can outreach to clients. I showed you the software that you can use to fulfill these services. And also you can use a VA to go ahead and get these websites done. And GoHighLevel even has a feature where you can build websites using AI. So let's go ahead and pull a business that we want to go ahead and build a sample site for. Let's go back to that one that we were actually on for the bathroom remodel. Yep, Round Rock Remodeling Pros. So let's go ahead and copy this title. Let's drop it in as the name, business niche. Let's go ahead and do home service. Let's do generate leads for what the website goal is. You can see all the different goals that they have, and then also the target audience, and that's individuals and consumers, free consultation. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to take this prompt that was given to us in HighLevel. We're going to drop it in ChatGPT, let it spruce it up a little bit, give it some more life, drop it back into HighLevel, and let's see what it creates. And we can decide here if their current website's better. Well, actually, they don't have one, so we can't even do that. But if this is a right step in the direction for their business, let's take a look. Let's go into ChatGPT. Okay, and so now we are in ChatGPT. We are going to pull this prompt. Let's paste it in. Take this AI website build prompt from GoHighLevel and make it better and make this website more luxurious, professional, and make sure to have these services listed, such as bathroom remodel and kitchen remodel. Okay, let's see what it gives us back. Shouldn't take long at all. Here's a better, more luxurious prompt, and let's go ahead and give it a moment to go ahead and spit all this information out. And so like I said, we are going to take this information and we're going to go ahead and drop it into HighLevel, and it will give us a beautiful sample website. So imagine this customer just said yes to the sample website and you need to show them something on the Zoom call. Well, now it is quicker than ever with GoHighLevel's website AI builder, and it's almost done here. So let's go ahead and copy this. Let's delete that little script out of there, and let's go ahead and drop this one in, and we will come back whenever it's ready. Shouldn't really take long, maybe 1 minute. Alrighty, and it is all done here. So let's take a look. First of all, I like how HighLevel's sidebar shows all the different things that it did within the site. You can kind of see it as like a checklist almost. That's absolutely beautiful. But let's take a look at the actual sample website that it built. Now keep in mind, this business is going from absolutely no website to this, and all you would have to do is just swap out the logo. Not sure if they have one, maybe it's on their Facebook or something along those lines. You can easily find that. Color match the website. Look at the photos that are automatically placed. These are AI generated, but they can easily be swapped out with the actual customer photos that they have. And look at this. This is absolutely beautiful compared to them not having anything at all. Even if you were to bring in one lead per month for them on this website, they would be making their money back, obviously, just off of one job. If they get one bathroom remodel job, it pays for so much of their marketing budget. Let's say that if you were to just charge $97 a month for this a month, imagine if they get one job per month off of this website. That's absolutely a lot of revenue added to their business, and you're covering the marketing costs. They're covering their own marketing costs plus more. So what's the excuse here? You know, it's really a great opportunity for these businesses. And like I said, this is just a sample website. This is just a rough draft. So make sure to explain that on the call, that you were able to put this together without knowing too much about their business, and look at how great it turned out. So, and just to show you my packages on my website, you can see $97 a month, $297 a month, and $497 a month. Those are all monthly recurring revenue coming into your bank account, super high profit margins. And even if you close a setup fee on top of that, that would be even better. You get a dedicated support specialist, which is yourself. You get unlimited website updates. You get a Google review system, a website chat widget, all that for just $97 a month. Really a no-brainer decision for these businesses. And that's how I've been able to scale where I'm at today. Look at this $297 a month package. This is where they get full access to the software, good setup fee ahead of it if you are able to get that. But even just closing them at $297 a month, that is literally beautiful. So if you want to watch my past video of where I talked about how WordPress, let's put it on this side, how WordPress is dead and how businesses are making a huge shift towards implementing AI towards their business, then go ahead and watch that video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.